So Lupin Laboratory in Pirangut surrendered them. They were not rescued from there. And they basically finished their term where they were supposed to experiment on them. And they wanted to give them up for rehabilitation.
What were they experimenting on them?
So Lupin is known to do toxicology and plasma activity experiments on beagles. That's what we know. They haven't confirmed what exactly they went through, but we know they're known to do toxicology studies. So how poisonous some drug is, what kind of dose is too poisonous or too safe to.
And
they were better than we expected because we've seen much worse in the other cities. We've seen dogs that have had their vocal cords cut so that they don't make too much noise in the lab, and very horrible things we've heard of. This is our first batch that we're taking care of, and we're pleasantly surprised because the first time they came out, except barring a 3-4 that are really nervous, the rest came out as a trays. They came out and they were playing the first day. They went into the pool, they were enjoying the pool. They'd never seen all this before. They'd never seen outdoor environment. So first 3 days they were limping mainly because they never had so much exercise. So it must be somebody that is not just looking for a beagle because it's a beagle. Like a lot of people just messaged us saying that we want a beagle puppy, we want a beagle because that's such a cool breed. But they need to understand that these guys are not normal dogs. They do get scared very easily. They haven't seen the outside world. The first time they saw sunlight was when they came out of the laboratory. They've been inside an indoor environment with set temperature and a set lighting for the exact 6 years that they lived out. So they need a lot of care, they need a lot of attention. Their diets are very specific, their medical needs are a lot, so you need to be able to spend that much on the dog. And they are known to flee because they haven't seen a lot of the outsides, and they need to realize their special psychological needs. They tend to be very needy, they've never had attention in their lives. So simple things like that. You can't have them just because they look a certain way, and they are old dogs now. They're not the puppies that they used to be. So there's a lot of things that go into it.